Professor Ruchi Gupta from AIML and Cyber Security Department, SIRT, Bhopal. Today, we'll learn about the HTTP and HTTPS protocol that covers under the subject IWT in 6th semester cybersecurity branch. If we see for the first, what is HTTP? HTTP stands for the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is used for the communication between browser and server. It simply sends the plain text. Also, anyone encrypting the connection can read the data. HTTPS is nothing but the secured version of HTTP. The data is more encrypted and also encrypted before the transmission. It ensures the confidentiality, integrity of data, and authentication of the server. HTTP works in three major steps. First of all, browser sends the request, then after server responds about it, and the data travels openly without any encryption. It is vulnerable to the man in the middle attack and data theft. HTTPS works in 5 major steps. First of all, the client sends the hello request, then the server sends the SSL certificate, then the client verifies the certificate, the encryption keys are exchanged, and then the secure communication begins. If we talk about SSL certificate, it is nothing but the issued certificate by the trusted certificate authorities. It confirms the website identity and also shows the lock icon in the browser. The core differences between HTTP and HTTPS are: in HTTPS, the data is more encrypted, so that's why the HTTPS is more secured on comparison with HTTP. Port are 80 and 443 accordingly. The data is more safe in HTTPS rather than HTTP. SEOs, for SEOs, Google generally prefer HTTPS. Also, the trust showcases the lock icon which HTTP has in it. Why HTTPS is important? Because because it protects login credentials, banking info, prevents hacking, sniffing, builds user trust, also required for modern websites. HTTP is outdated and insecure, whereas HTTPS is mandatory for modern security nowadays. Thank you.